sat it there and it cooked my shit. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paris Desarae. So today I'm about to do a get ready with me and whatnot, probably chit chat. I don't know if I do a chit chat, I'll say it in the video. But yeah, check out my nails. I did neon yellow. So right now I'm wearing my work face where I just put concealer underneath my eyes. So if you are interested in seeing how this look turns out, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm about to take these lashes off. I'm debating if I want to put some contacts on. I don't know if I'm stepping out or not. Probably not. Oh, my eyebrows still look good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna refresh them. Why? Because these eyebrow pencils expensive, y'all. So I'm using the Ulta Beauty. I need to order some more of them now that I think about it, because these pencils are freaking life. They, to me, are way better than the Benefit pencils. My skin is kind of oily, so I don't know, I might do a fresh brow set. But we don't know if we're going anywhere, so we just gonna refresh them up. So to do my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the IZME. Oh, and y'all probably looking at my forehead right here. Now, I was doing a makeup review. No, I was doing a wig review, and I put the thing on top of my head, and I had grease on my head too. Sat it there and it cooked my shit. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna do this side and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I set my eyes with the Peely Weeze base. I have it in 0.5. I have not done eyeshadow in so freaking long. So hopefully, girl, it's gonna look right, okay? I don't even know what I'm about to wear with, but I know I want to take pictures. So hold on y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario, which is this palette right here. It's an all matte palette. I normally wear this when I'm feeling bougie and when I want to look superb and all that fancy stuff. I normally grab this one because I feel all the bougie chicks who just want that natural beat gravitate towards this. So yeah. And I'm just going in and I'm putting this color right here in what is this called, y'all? My outer crease. I'm gonna have to get a photo diagram or something, or how to explain this again, because I forgot. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color so I can brighten this up. And I normally start right here. And I normally pack it in and then drag it lightly right here in this area to give it that shadow effect. All right, next I'm going to darken it up. I think I'm going to go in with this color and tap it a little bit into black. And just add it right here to give it like a shadow effect. All right, so next I'm about to go in with the original shade, which was right here. And I'm just gonna cover up the white part. It gives me an illusion of like me trying to do like a cut crease almost. Next, I'm not going to do eyeliner. I don't think it's necessary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on my lashes and then I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I have my lashes on. I'm wearing some Amazon lashes. They don't have a number on them, so I can't even link them. But I always link the lashes that I normally wear all the time. I have that linked in the description box. So I'm about to do my face, and that's probably going to be a speed through. So, yeah.
That you was trying to get with me, what would she do? If a girl only knew that you was dissing her to talk to me, she would probably leave you alone, probably curse you out and number her phone. But she'd be glad that she was gone, and she wouldn't have to worry. Kick it with you if she knew. If your girl could only see how you be calling me, getting fresh with me, I'd leave you alone, curse you out and number her phone. She'll be glad she was gone, and she wouldn't have to worry.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with a final look. So I just did a natural beat. I haven't done makeup in a while, so I just wanted to come back and do a makeup tutorial for the channel. This is the final look. Turned out cute. So even though I'm not going anywhere, I just wanted to film for you guys. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in a while. I haven't posted in a while either. So yeah, I wanted to do something. I will get back into doing eyeshadow looks. I miss doing that. I need to remember how to do that. So I have to start getting back into it. So if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.